find out. It's gonna be a 20-minute to 3-hour wait. So if you guys are coming down anytime soon, get ready to deal with that.
This menu para los niños.
That's
And
fine.
then estas también. No, solo estas. So chicken and rice. This and then waffles or mini cheeseburgers. Okay. Your chicken fingers.
Con el pie.
Más breakfast?
Sí.
So
No, chicken nuggets.
ya te this breakfast.
Yeah. Chicken nuggets.
Yeah, chicken nuggets. I already know what I'm gonna drink.
Yo estoy buscando las bebidas.
How are we doing here, guys? Welcome to Tucson.
I done my order
Like it too.
and
He has to try it.
ordered a red Reuben with a boar head,
I want her
corned
to try
beef,
it too. Yeah.
alpine lace Swiss cheese, braised red cabbage, grilled artesian rye bread. $16.95, not bad. Wait until it comes up and we'll try it together. So what's in it?
Well, let's let you taste it first, and then I'll.
You do it?
In this case, I put chocolate vodka, a little chocolate liqueur, and then coconut tequila and banana rum, and then a little cream.
The trouble.
Trouble?
Trouble, because I'm
That's
trouble.
a trouble.
I'm
Double
trouble.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. Look at that. Oh my God, look at you.
It's crazy.
¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Ima, ¿cómo está?
How is it? Good? Thumbs up? Take a thumbs up? All right. Hey, Brianna, what did they get you? What is that?
Oh, so this is for everybody.
Oh, okay. What is
So
that?
this
Chocolate
is
bread.
Oh my God.
chocolate almond bread.
And the butter is what?
Just butter, no?
It's almond butter.
Oh, almond butter.
Yeah. Okay. So let's get
I
some.
drink anyway, so it'll look like mine.
So how do you like your drink, Bri?
It is delicious.
Alright, the trouble.
Yeah.
And that is a drink right there. Oh, look, she's going for a bite. This bread is out of control.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it. Chocolate, peanut butter, banana bread. Really good though. What did you get there?
We got the teriyaki burger.
Ooh, you like it?
Yes.
2 thumbs up.
And we're just waiting
You too,
on
Mom?
the kids stuff. I'm gonna wait till her stuff gets here.
Bite. How do you like it? Pretty good? Yeah, no complaints? Alright, so I finally got here. I got me the Reuben on regular burger bread, au jus sauce, Thousand Islands, and a side of looks like cabbage.
otra vez.
So let's enjoy and see what it's about. Oh, look at that. Oh. Dip in the au jus.
That looks pretty good.
Very smoky flavor.
Oh yeah.
The corned beef is cooked perfectly.
It had.
You can see.
Oh.
Without the azul
El
sauce,
queso se ve.
it's very salty rather than sweet. Está delicioso. Me encantó bastante.
Eres muy bien buen español.
Ah, gracias. I get 2 thumbs up on my Spanish and eating. So that's it. So we'll call it a day and time to go home. And just hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. If you've been here before, you know to like and comment. And I love to always hear from you guys. So from Trouble at Universal Studios to you, peace.